Hey, what's up guys? If you are all about staying safe on the road or just want extra peace of mind while driving, today's video is perfect for you. I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cams in 2024 that are guaranteed to help you capture everything that happens on the road, whether it's for security, insurance, or just cool driving footage. So let's jump right in. Also keep in mind that all links to dash cams I'll be discussing in this video will be included in the video description below. First up on our list, we have the Vantrue S1 Pro. Known for its versatility and solid build, the Vantrue S1 Pro is a dual-channel dashcam that records both front and rear footage. It's perfect for those who want complete coverage of their vehicle. The S1 Pro features a 2.5K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, both of which provide crisp and clear recordings even in low light conditions. The front camera offers a wide 170-degree field of view, capturing more of the road ahead, while the rear camera covers 160 degrees, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. One of the standout features is the built-in GPS, which tracks your location and speed, making it easier to document incidents. The S1 Pro also comes with a parking mode that activates automatically if motion or impact is detected while your car is parked. Plus, it supports up to 512GB micro SD card, so you never have to worry about running out of storage. Priced competitively for all the features it offers, the Vantrue S1 Pro is an excellent choice if you want a reliable dashcam with both front and rear coverage. Next up, we have the Garmin Mini 2. If you're looking for a dashcam that's compact, discreet, yet still packs a punch, this is the one for you. The Garmin Mini 2 is one of the smallest dashcams on the market, but don't let its size fool you, it's loaded with features. This tiny device records in 1080p HD, ensuring clear footage in various lighting conditions. It's super easy to set up and use, making it perfect for those who want something simple but effective. The Mini 2 also connects directly to your smartphone via the Garmin Drive app, allowing you to review and share footage instantly. One unique feature is its voice control. Just say "OK Garmin" to save a video, take a picture, or start-stop recording without taking your hands off the wheel. The dashcam also automatically uploads saved footage to the secure Garmin cloud when connected to Wi-Fi, so your recordings are always backed up. If you are after a dashcam that's easy to hide yet offers reliable performance, the Garmin Mini 2 is perfect for you. Its minimalistic design and seamless app integration make it an attractive option for those who value convenience. Prices update on these dashcams almost daily with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you will find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In the third spot, we have the Vantrue N4, one of the most comprehensive dashcams available today. This is a triple-channel dashcam, which means it records the front, interior, and rear of your car all at once, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants 360-degree coverage. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD, while the interior and rear cameras capture footage in 1080p. The interior camera even has infrared night vision, so even if you are driving in pitch darkness, the cabin is still clearly visible. Another great feature is loop recording, which automatically overrides old footage once the memory card is full, ensuring you always have the most recent footage. The N4 also has a parking mode that's activated by motion or impact, keeping your vehicle protected even when you are not around. While it's a bit more on the premium side, the Vantrue N4 offers unmatched coverage and clarity, making it one of the best options for those who need comprehensive protection and monitoring. Next on our list is a rising star in the dashcam market, the AZ Dashcam. This budget-friendly option offers impressive performance without breaking the bank, making it perfect for those who want solid features without the premium price tag. The AZ Dashcam records in 1080p Full HD and offers a 170-degree field of view, ensuring you capture all the important details on the road. It comes with a 3-inch display, making it easy to view and navigate settings. The device also supports night vision, providing clear footage even in low light situations. It's equipped with a G sensor that automatically locks and saves footage when a collision is detected, ensuring critical evidence is protected. Additionally, the dashcam has a parking mode that activates upon detecting motion, giving you peace of mind when your car is parked. If you are on a budget but still want a reliable dashcam with essential features, the AZ dashcam is a solid choice. It's simple, effective, and offers great value for the price. Finally, taking our number one spot is the Vantrue N4 Pro. This upgraded version of the popular N4 takes everything great about the original and adds even more features for those who want the top-tier performance. The Vantrue N4 Pro also features triple channel recording with a 4K front camera and 1080p interior and rear cameras. The front camera is equipped with a high-quality Sony Starvis sensor, which significantly improves low-light performance, ensuring your footage is crisp and clear no matter the time of the day. The Pro model also comes with built-in GPS tracking, which logs your speed and route directly on the footage. The infrared night vision on the interior camera is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who needs clear footage inside their vehicle even at night. While it's a bit of an investment, the Vantrue N4 Pro offers top-of-the-line features and unmatched coverage, making it the ultimate dashcam for anyone who needs high-quality recordings from all angles. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best dashcams in 2024. Whether you're looking for comprehensive coverage, semi-compact and discreet, or a budget-friendly option, there is a dashcam on this list for everyone. Which one do you think suits your needs? Let me know in the comments below. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all dashcams that were mentioned in this video. See you in the next one.